If you want to hide photos and videos on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all we need to open Photos app. Now in here we can of course open any of these photos or videos that you wish to hide, and we're gonna use these three dots in the upper right corner in order to find Set as Private. So we can tap over here and then press OK, and there we go. Of course we can also press and hold our finger on the first file that we wish to hide. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And then once the first photo or video is selected, you can keep selecting more stuff that you wish to hide. Use these three buttons in the bottom right corner and choose to set as private. So you can hide multiple photos and videos at once. In order to find those hidden photos and videos, you have two options. You can go to albums, for example, and scroll down in here to find this private section. You will have to use the privacy password that you have created. And then we have our images and videos in here that are hidden. The second option is to press and hold your finger on photos or albums, depending which option is selected. So if you have photos selected, you want to press and hold your finger on photos. And if you have albums selected, then of course you want to press and hold your finger on the albums. Enter your privacy password, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.